These steps can help you go from rags to riches. It's not an easy journey, but with the right plan and a little bit of discipline, anything is possible. First and foremost, it's important to set a clear financial goal. Determine the amount of wealth you want to accumulate and create a plan to achieve it. This goal will serve as your North Star, guiding you on your journey towards financial freedom. Next, create a budget. This means tracking your expenses, cutting unnecessary costs, and redirecting your savings towards wealth-building activities. Having a budget will help you stay on track and reach your financial goals more quickly. It's also essential to build an emergency fund. This safety net will help you weather financial hardships and avoid going into debt. And speaking of avoiding debt, let's talk about the next step. Invest in education. Acquiring new skills and knowledge will increase your earning potential and help you make informed investment decisions. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to building wealth. Another way to generate additional income is by starting a side hustle. Whether it's a small business or freelancing, having a second stream of income will help you reach your financial goals even faster. Once you've built up some savings, consider investing in stocks or real estate. These assets have the potential to appreciate in value over time and can provide a substantial return on investment. Here's the catch: you have to live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation and continue to save and invest a portion of your income. This is what separates those who make it from those who don't. It's also important to network and seek mentorship. Connect with successful individuals who can offer guidance and support. Surround yourself with people who have been where you are and have made it to the other side. Finally, be disciplined and persistent. Building wealth takes time, effort, and sacrifice. Stay focused on your goals and remain committed to your plan. And remember, continuously reevaluate and adjust your strategy. Stay up to date on market trends and changes in your personal financial situation, and make necessary adjustments to your wealth-building plan. So, set your financial goals, create a budget, invest in education, start a side hustle, invest in stocks or real estate, live below your means, network and seek mentorship, be disciplined and persistent, and continuously reevaluate and adjust your strategy.